Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about 5.182 vector polynomials by grouping 2. So last time we did 5.1a, so vector polynomials by grouping, right? So we will continue with this. So, so can you start with the do now? So I'll give you about 3 minutes. It's good enough. So 3 minutes. Okay, let's go over together. So you have four terms and start with the third power x cubed. Then mostly, we said most likely we are going to factor this by grouping, right? So it's in the order of the degree. Make sure 3, 2, 1, x to the 0 power, just number. Now you group each two terms, right? This group and this group. So if you do it, underline them like this. And then so see, first group, what's common? Do you see any common? Yes, x squared, right? The lower degree is the common factor. So x squared times what? X minus 7. Here common is 9, but we have a negative minus here. Then make sure change the sign. So 9 minus 9 times x is minus 9x. Minus 9 times minus 7 is positive 63. If you do this, always most likely you will see another common here, which is x minus 7. Then what do? You take it out as a common, and then x squared minus 9 in the other factor. So you have two factors so far, right? X minus 7, x squared minus 9. Two factors. But third degree supposed to have three factors, right? If you complete them. Is it factorable? Quadratic equation x squared minus 9? Yes. X squared minus 3 squared. A squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared is what? A minus b, a plus b, right? So x is minus 3, x plus 3, like this. All right. Okay, let's move on to the today's lesson before we do it. So now look. So can you think about what you notice and wonders, right? And then we'll start the lesson now. So it's just a repetition, but a little bit different. But more, we'll focus on the second part, all right? So we did this one already in the do now by grouping, right? We did this in the do now. And then we know the number 3 is not factorable when the sum of the squares, x squared plus y squared, is not factorable. But now, this one, f of x, is x to the 6th power minus y to the 4th power. Is it, the title said by difference of the squares. Are they squares? What square is x to the 6th power? So let's say a is x to the 6th power. I mean, a squared is x to the 6th power. And then b squared is y to the 4. So that we can see the a minus b, a plus b, right? A squared minus b squared form. So first we should know this is even number power. If they are not even number power, we cannot do that. If they are even number power. So a squared is x to the 6th power, and b squared is the y to the 4th power. Then a is half of that power. Okay, so a squared is x to the 6th power, then a is a half power. Half is x to the 3rd power, right? And the b is y to the 4th power, then b is y to the square power. So this is a squared minus b squared form. So a minus b, a plus b. X cubed minus y squared, x cubed plus y squared. And now this is odd degree, even degree mixed up. You cannot factor anymore. So you can leave like this, right? But if they are all even power, then you can continue as like this one, right? So we are done here. So like this. So can you do this now? Can you identify the mistakes and then correct them? So what is the mistake? F of x is x to the fourth power minus y to the fourth power. So a squared is x to the 4, b squared is y to the 4. Then a is a half power x squared, b is a y squared half power, right? So a squared minus b squared form. Veronica did a minus b, a plus b, wrote down x squared minus y squared, x squared plus y squared. Very good. So x minus y times x plus y, x plus y times x plus y. Is there any error do you find? This is the difference of the squares, x minus y, x plus y, right? A minus b, a plus b form. But x squared plus y squared, can you do this? No, right? X squared plus y squared cannot be factored. Look, x plus y, if you distribute backward, if you do backward, do you get x squared plus y squared? No. X times x is x squared, x times y is xy, y times x is xy again, and y times y is y squared. So x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. They don't have this one doesn't have 2xy. It's different, right? So this is the error. One more time. You should leave here x squared plus y squared. Okay, like this. Then we are done. Okay.